Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install Clipboard AI on your computer. But before we dive into that, let's discuss what Clipboard AI is. This is a new product launched by UiPath and is currently in public preview. Throughout this series, we will explore a lot about UiPath Clipboard AI. What is Clipboard AI? It's your intelligent copy-paste assistant. Imagine this scenario. You need to copy data from a scanned receipt and paste it into a web-based application form. While dealing with fields and formatting, doing this manually can be quite difficult, right? So this is where UiPath Clipboard AI comes in. It can understand your document, extract the data, and automatically paste it into your application form. It's that simple. Clipboard AI enables you to copy and paste data in various formats. You can copy from web, desktop forms, Excel spreadsheet, semi-structured document like invoices, receipts, and more. Plain text documents such as contracts, emails, and web pages. And you can paste them into various destination formats like web, desktop forms, Excel spreadsheet, plain text destination like Word document, PowerPoint presentation, emails, and PDF files. Let's get started with installation first, and then I will show you all the features in the upcoming videos. Go to your browser and type UiPath Clipboard AI, then click enter. Click on the Clipboard AI copy paste automation link. This is the UiPath Clipboard AI official website, and here you will be able to understand what Clipboard AI is, its feature, and how it works. Click on the Try It Now button on the page. A pop-up window will appear to download UiPath Clipboard AI. Select your download folder destination and then click on Save. It will take some time to download. Please wait. Now, look at in the download folder. There is an MSI file downloaded. Just double click on it. You will get a new pop-up window of the UiPath Clipboard AI license agreement. Read these terms and conditions. Then check the I accept the terms in the license agreement option. I'm going to uncheck the option automatically start UiPath Clipboard AI at login. I will show you how to log in at the end. Click on next. Then click on the install option. It will take some time to install. Meanwhile, you will get this error pop-up message. Don't worry about it. It's just a simple alert message. The UiPath extension will be added automatically to your browser, and it's asking us to close all the browser. I have done that. Let's click on the S button. Now click on the finish button. So here is your Clipboard AI tool ready to use. Click on the start the tool option here. Look at the top corner of your system window. Clipboard AI appears and you can easily copy paste your data. Click on show example. Here is an example of how Clipboard AI works. On the left side there is a receipt. It is a photocopy. On the right side there is a web-based application that contains fields for vendor name, date, vendor address, phone number, tax, and total. Select the receipt window and go to Clipboard AI Assistant. Then click on Copy Windows. Your AI will automatically recognize the format and extract the data. Select the destination form and go to Clipboard AI Assistant. Then click the Paste Data button to start the data transfer. Once you click Paste, a data matching window will appear. This where you can verify your extracted data and improve it further. Here the AI automatically recognizes the source format as a receipt. Now click on Paste Data. Look at the form. Wow! The Clipboard AI Assistant automatically filled all the fields with respective data extracted from the receipt. How intelligent this is. This is how Clipboard AI works on your computer. Now I will show you a few other settings. Go to the profile option. Here you can sign in using your email ID. You will see the current plan details. It's a trial plan with 100 copy paste action available right now. On the General tab, you will see option like Launch on Windows Start, Enable Extract as Table, and Always Show Data Map. Depending on your needs, you can enable these options. On the Shortcut tab, you can create a new shortcuts for copy, paste, region selection, and mapper option. On the Extraction Models tab, you can add extraction type based on your document formats. On the Feedback tab, you can provide feedback about Clipboard AI to help improve it further. Finally, we have the Help option to access the demo videos. Now I am going to sign in to my account. Click on Sign In. It will take you to the web browser. Click on Open UiPath Clipboard AI. The plan will be enabled automatically based on your email ID. Then click on Save. Okay, now your intelligent copy paste assistant is ready. Good to go now. In the next video, I will show you how it works with all types of document and emails. Thanks for watching and feel free to write your doubts in the comment section. I will be happy to assist you. Happy automation.